I was watching a DVD from Richard Schmid, and he was telling us about the brushes. This was the first time I heard about Rosemary. He showed in the canvas the different types of brush strokes, even the new brushes or the old. I thought about two options. One, be Richard Schmid, or get these brushes. I thought there was a problem because good materials for artists are expensive. All the things that come in from the other countries, we have to make a lot of effort to obtain this. 2 years ago, we heard Simi was coming to South America on vacation. We thought that it was a good reason to invite Simi to come to us in Plein Air Studio. She told us, okay, you are in São Paulo, I can go to your studio and let's talk about brushes and art. And she came and we showed her the studio. She talked to Rosemary to send some brushes. After 2 days, the brushes arrived. It was like a magic moment for us. Simi called to Rosemary. I saw that Rosemary started to cry because she realized that she was given the chance to try the best brushes of the world. We feel so happy because there is trust and genuine relationship between Plein Air Studio and Rosemary brushes, and we can represent these art supplies in Brazil and in São Paulo. It doesn't matter if you have money to take the best of the best. Like Kolinsky or Red Sable, there's always special series. If you are an watercolorist, oil or acrylic, there's always an option. When I read Alla Prima, the Richard Schmid's book, I discovered a new world. It's like Richard is sitting down side by side with you. It's about the spirit of art. To being a real artist, you have to look for your own life in the canvas. Richard make this like an old master, but he's a living master. For us, the mix between the knowledge of him and the chance to keep good art supplies like Rosemary brushes make our life a little easier, and we can call ourselves real artists.